Hi, I'm Carol with Kendall Capital, here with another 2-minute tip to help you, the middle-class millionaire. Today we're going to talk about getting ready for tax time. Yay, favorite time of the year. Really, the best we could do is help you get organized and make sure you don't miss anything. So my first tip is that you check to get all of your tax forms. These are your 1099s and your 1099Rs. The R stands for retirement account, such as an IRA or Roth IRA. So I want you to double check that you have that for each account that's relevant, especially for those of you who started to do backdoor Roth contributions. It's important to have the 1099R from the traditional IRA and include that in your tax return paperwork. Next, speaking of Roths, it's not too late to contribute. So you want to double check that your income is eligible to do so. The phase out range starts at $129,000 if you file single and goes up to $204,000 if you file jointly. And it is a range, so if you're a little bit over that, you might not be able to make the maximum contribution, but maybe be able to make some lesser contribution. So if you are eligible, make those contributions before the April 18th tax deadline this year. That's again the federal deadline, and even if you plan to file an extension, it's still important to get those contributions in before April 18th. And finally, just a reminder, since the 2018 Tax Cuts and Job Act, we now have a slightly different math equation to contend with when it comes to filing standard versus itemized. So run your numbers in both methods. You might find that you get a bit of a tax bill if you file federally standard, but on the state side, it actually works out to your benefit to file itemized. Most states you have to pick one side or the other. So my tip to you is to run it both ways, or have your tax prep advisor with that help you with that. Run it both ways, see what's really ultimately best for you. And finally, for those Marylanders out there, we have a bit of extra breathing room. They extended the state filing deadline to be July 15th. Federal is still April 18th though, so don't get confused there. Maybe you go ahead and get it all done anyway so you can enjoy the rest of your spring and summer. This is Petrov from Kendall Capital. Thank you.